A document is a written, drawn, presented, or memorialized representation of thought, often the manifestation of non-financial, non-fictional as well as fictional content. The word originates from the Latin documentum, which denotes a teaching or lesson. The verb denotes to teach. In the past, the word was usually used to denote written proof useful as evidence of a truth or fact. In the computer age, document usually denotes a primarily textual computer file, including its structure and format, for example, fonts, colors, and images. Contemporarily, document is not defined by its transmission medium. For example, paper given the existence of electronic documents. Documentation is distinct because it has more denotations than document. Documents are also distinguished from relia, which are three-dimensional objects that would otherwise satisfy the definition of document because they memorialize or represent thought. Documents are considered more as two-dimensional representation, while documents can have large varieties of customization. All documents can be shared freely and have the right to do so. Creativity can be represented by documents. Also, history events, examples, opinions, etc., all can be expressed in documents. Abstract definitions is below is under.